All right, we got the new, brand new shiny starter. As you can see, we're gonna put in place. Don't mind the pink towel. That's just so I didn't have to put the thing on the floor. And we're gonna go right back here. I'm still unsure about these wires. I've looked in the factory service manual and I just can't tell. This looks like a negative cable and positive, of course, over here. Positive makes sense. That's what the service manual says, but why you would connect two of them is just beyond me. Anyways, that's how it was. So I'm gonna put it back exactly how it was. It's been like that for a while, so hopefully it doesn't cause any harm or damage. So let me put the phone down and put the starter in. All right, guys, we got bolt 1 at the bottom. Service manual says to start at the bottom with this bolt. Put that one in. I guess it's easier to get to. The top one's a little bit trickier. I don't know if we can see in here. No, I'm trying to see. And I've plugged in the power cable and also plugged in, there's a little connector at the very top. I don't know if you can see up there, but anyways, I've got those plugged in already. Now I'm gonna do the top bolt and then torque them to 30 foot-pounds of torque. That's what the service manual recommends, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, it's all hooked up. I wish I could show you up there a little bit better, but really can't get up there for some reason. It's really tight. But it was pretty easy. Just torque everything to 30 pounds, connect the wires up there, connect the little solenoid control switch, which is at the top, hard to see it from down here. Make sure everything's good to go. It looks like it is. I'm gonna go plug the battery in and then just crank it up and see how she runs. All right, guys, I've been wanting to finish this video for a while. This was the starter video and just hadn't had a chance to do it. So we put the new starter in. I went ahead and went with the Amazon one. I forget the brand. I'll maybe link that in the description somewhere. Only because the one I ordered, I actually still have the Mopar one. And unfortunately, when I ordered that one, there was a delay in shipping. So I didn't get here in time. And I really needed the car to, the car to run. So anyways, it's on there. It runs really well. So let me show you the difference, how much better it starts compared to how it used to. Because before, it would, it used to feel like, even though I had a brand new, really expensive battery in there, like a premium battery with 1,000 cranking amps. I mean, it was like the highest that I could get. It didn't matter. It still struggled to start. It felt like the battery was on. I had the battery replaced because I thought the battery was dead. So anyways, listen to the difference now. Hopefully you can hear it. Much better, right? So anyways, let's go for a ride. Thanks for watching.